Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's class, I am going to discuss about how to find number of skew symmetric matrices with given elements. Okay. First, we discuss about what is a skew symmetric matrix and how to write examples for skew symmetric matrices. Listen. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. It is the definition for skew symmetric matrix. Is it? Okay. How to write example for skew symmetric? Just you observe. Suppose I am taking one 2 by 2 matrix. You remember one point, that is, in a skew symmetric matrix, every diagonal element must be 0, that is fixed. So here first you take 0 and here also 0. I am writing 2 by 2 skew symmetric. Okay. Now in this place, whatever element you are taking, take same element here with opposite sign. So it is plus 1 na? Take minus 1. That's all. This is example for skew symmetric. You have doubt, just you take its transpose. A transpose, what is it? It is 0, minus 1 and 1, 0. Is it? Okay. If you take minus common from this, you get A. So A transpose is equal to minus A. It is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Listen carefully. Now I am taking one example for skew symmetric of order 3 cross 3. Okay. See. Anyhow, the first point, that is diagonal must have zeros. Is it? So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. See what I am doing. You take 2 here. So in this place, it will be minus 2. Suppose if you take 3 here, here you must take minus 3. I mean, same element you take with opposite sign. Suppose here if you take minus 4, here you should write plus 4. Same element with opposite sign. Is it? That is, condition. Aij plus Aji must be 0 in a skew symmetric matrix. So I am following that rule only. So easily you can write example for skew symmetric matrix if you follow this pattern. Suppose I am taking one more example for skew symmetric of order 3 by 3. The first one, take diagonals zeros. Is it? And here you take minus 1, suppose here 2 and here 3. Then here you should take what? Plus 1. Is it? It is minus 1 now. So here it will be plus 1. This is 2 now. So here what you should take? Minus 2. This is 3 now. Here what you should take? Minus 3. So my dear students, you observe that first I filled this portion. Is it? Then automatically I get this. I mean, these 3 places depends on this portion. Okay. So using this logic, we can form skew symmetric matrices. Coming to first example, number of skew symmetric matrices of order 3 cross 3 formed by 0 comma plus or minus 1. Okay. Here we are going to construct a 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Already we discussed. Just we fill the upper portion of the triangle, then we can get the remaining automatically. Is it? Okay. So we know that every diagonal element must be 0. Is it? So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Okay. Still, how many places we have to fill? You observe that. You have to fill upper triangular portion. Then automatically you can get these. Is it? Okay. So you have to fill this place and this place. Is it? Okay. In how many ways you can fill this gap? Is it? So you can use 0 or plus 1 or minus 1. So in how many ways you can fill this gap? 3 ways. Is it? So you can fill this gap in 3 ways. You can fill this gap also in 3 ways. You can use either 0 or plus 1 or minus 1. And this also in 3 ways. No need of taking these, is it? Why? Because if you fill this place, automatically you can get this element. Suppose here if you take plus 1, minus 1 occupies this place. Suppose here if you take minus 1, plus 1 occupies this place, is it? You know that how to write example for skew symmetric. Here if you take 1, you must write minus 1. If you take minus 1, you must take plus 1. That is the reason we don't bother about these gaps. Automatically those will be filled if you fill the upper triangular portion, is it? Okay, so how many skew symmetric matrices of order 3 by 3 can be formed by using the elements 0 plus or minus 1, that is 3 into 3 into 3. What is it? 3 cube. So totally how many such matrices? 27 skew symmetric matrices you can form using these elements. Okay. Coming to next one. Number of skew symmetric matrices of order 4 cross 4 formed by 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2. Okay. Now you have to form 4 by 4 skew symmetric. Anyhow, just we fill the upper triangular portion. Is it right? Okay. But every diagonal element must be 0 in a skew symmetric. So take them zeros. 0, 0, 0 and so on. Sorry. And 0. Is it right? Okay. Now remaining here, how many gaps will be there? So 1, 2 and 3. Is it? So here in this row 1, 2 and here we have one gap. Is it right? So this is the upper triangular portion of this 4 cross 4 matrix. So if you fill these gaps, automatically you can get elements here. Is it right? Okay. In how many ways you can fill these gaps? So in how many ways you can fill the first gap? You can use any one of these elements. Totally how many elements are there? Here 2 elements, here 2 elements, here 1 element. 5 elements are there. So you can fill this gap in 5 ways. Is it? Into. You can fill this also in 5 ways. This gap also in 5 ways. Like that. Remaining 3 also in 5 ways. Is it right? So 5 power 6. So if you fill this gap, automatically here you get one element. Is it? Suppose here if you take plus 2, it should be minus 2. If it is minus 2, it should be plus 2. So you don't bother about the remaining gaps in this 4 by 4 matrix. Just you concentrate on the upper triangular portion, but anyhow the diagonal elements are zeros. So you have to fill these remaining gaps. So how many gaps are there? 6 gaps are there. Each gap can be filled by using these 5 elements. So by using fundamental principle, product rule from permutations, we can get 5 into 5 into so on into 5, totally 6 places, is it? So answer is 5 power 6. So we can form 5 power 6 4 cross 4 skew symmetric matrices using the given elements. My dear students, I think you understand this concept. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.